Hey everybody, we're going to do a Lishi video. The HU101 Ford High Security 2-in-1 pick here and decoder. And I got a lock here out of a junkyard from I think it was a 17 Ford Fiesta if I recall. And so to pick this lock here, we're gonna try to pick, decode it, and then cut a key just for the hell of it. And I've already lubricated the hell of this thing here, so it should be good to go on that front. And hopefully everybody can see. And so what we're going to do here, got the tool all the way in. And I need to figure out where my wafers are. So, okay, nothing on 1 and 2 on the top. So check the bottom here. So there's 1, 2. So these are staggered. So what's going on here then is the bottom's going to have 1, 2, 5, 6, 9, and 10. The top will have 3 and 4 and 7 and 8. So we'll get started here. I'm going to put some tension on it. And okay, we'll start on number 1. And number 1 gives me a little bit of a click here, so we'll head over to number 2. 2 is springy, we will leave it alone. 5, a little bit of tension on 5. Click on 5, nothing on 6. Head over to 9, 9 springy. We'll click on 9, and 10 is springy, so we will leave it alone. 1 springy still, 2 springy. Okay, 5 is binding again. These are actually serrated wafers, so you can get multiple clicks. There's another click on 5, and it's still binding, so hit it again. And okay, 6 is springing, and leave it alone. Okay, 9 binding, so click on 9, and 10 still springy. Hit up top here. Go over to number 3. Okay, it's springy, going to leave it alone. Okay, now 4 is binding, so click on 4. Head over to 7, springy. Okay, now 8's really stiff, so I'm going to let off tension and get a nice big click on 8. Go back to 3. 3 is still springy. Okay, 4 moved a little bit. I got a little bit of rotation, but now it's springy, so I'm going to leave it alone. 3 is still springy. 7 springy. 8 springy. Back to 1. Springy, 2 springy. Number 5 here. Okay, 5 binding again. Off a little bit of tension and click on 5. Now 5 springy, 6 springy, 9. Let's see here. Okay, 9's binding again. Let off a little bit of tension. Click on 9. Here more rotation. So 1 springy, 2 springy. 5 binding again. Click on 5, a lot of rotation. Okay, 6 springy, 9 springy, 10 springy. Get back over to 3. Okay, now 3 is binding. So push up on 3, let off tension a hair. Click on 3, and that got us open. So now all we need to do is decode it. So do that, get this behind it here so we can get some focus on it. All right, and to decode it, I'm just going to start on number 1. Number 1 is a 4, and number 2 is a 3. Let me write those down. 4 and 3. Head up top here to number 3. 3 is a 1. 4 is a 3. And head down to number 5. 5, we got a 2. 6, we got a 2. Number 7. 4. And 8 is a 4. And number 9, we're going to have a 3. And 10 is a 5. So what we've got is 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 4, 4, 3, 5. And do now is run out to the my key machine and cut a key, and we'll make sure it works. So we'll be right back. Okay, so here's our key. I just cut it onto a flip key because these only cost like $1 or so. So flip key blade, but that's what our cuts look like. And it's our 4313 224435, and that's reading from that way from the this be the kind of shoulder to the tip, or bow to tip. And moment of truth here, make sure it works, and it works perfectly. So that's the HU101 Lishi, picking and decoding a lock. And as always, questions or comments, leave them in the comments, and that will do it for now. We'll talk to everybody later.